Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. If you're suffering from acne, uneven skin tone, suntan, or dull skin, then this is the remedy for you. This is a beautiful serum that will rival all expensive store-bought serums. I have used my homemade steam distilled rose water made with fresh rose petals and licorice root for the serum, and it works really well. But you can also use regular rose water. I'll leave the link to the rose water recipe in the description box below. This is a very easy to make serum that can be used for all types of skin. Try this for 7 days continuously in the night and you'll see a marked difference in your skin. For the serum, take a carrot, wash and peel the outer skin. Make sure that the carrot is fresh. Now take 3 fresh turmeric roots and peel the outer skin. Fresh turmeric extract is very potent, but if you don't have access to fresh turmeric roots, you can use turmeric powder too. Now grate the carrot. Beta carotene present in carrots helps protect the skin from sunburn and also helps slow down skin aging. Now grate the fresh turmeric roots. As we all know, turmeric helps treat acne and skin infections very well. Grind both along with steam distilled rose water and strain. This serum has a beautiful smell of fresh turmeric. Now add a quarter teaspoon of vegetable glycerin and mix well. Store the serum in the fridge and use it every day. To use, apply the serum half an hour before bathing and wash it off using a mild face wash. If you're suffering from severe acne and inflammation, along with the serum, consume turmeric tea weekly twice or thrice too. Both will help bring down the inflammation very quickly. For the turmeric tea, take quarter teaspoon of organic turmeric powder in a cup. Add 2 pinches of pepper powder. Now add in hot water and mix well. If you like, once it comes to lukewarm temperature, add in honey too. Use the serum every day for 7 days in a row, along with drinking turmeric tea. You can adjust the amount of vegetable glycerin according to your skin type. If you add too much, the serum will be sticky. This serum will last well in the fridge for 4 to 5 days. Do give it a try without fail.